Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel brought to you by Mandarin Institute of Sri Lanka. I'm Miss Lee, and together let's learn the basics of Mandarin Chinese. Hello, 大家好，欢迎来到我们的频道，我是李然。Welcome you all to our channel. I'm Li Ran. So in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to count from 0 to 10. Let's get started. 我们开始吧。一，二，三，四，五，六，七，八，九，十。Then how to say 0? 零。好， let's try from the beginning. 一，二，三，四，五，六，七，八，九，十，零。好了。So if you know how to count from 0 to 9, all the numbers, then you can even tell your phone number. Yes. A room number, apartment number, your parcel number. Have you heard about Chinese people believe in numbers a lot? So according to Chinese culture, what are the lucky numbers? 六。对，六。This one? 八，九。对，六。8, 9 are the 3 lucky numbers according to Chinese culture. Do you know that Chinese people love to use hand signs when telling the numbers? So it's important to learn the hand signs of numbers when we are learning Chinese. Let's try with me. 一，二，三，四，五，六，七，八，九，十。Let's try once again. 一，二，三，四，五，六，七，八，九，十。好了。So that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to connect with us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. 再见。